Hello, my name is Candace Warden, and today I am going to be talking about using Prezi. So, for those of you who don't know what Prezi is, it's kind of a new take on a PowerPoint. It's a little bit more interactive, a little bit more fun to watch. So, I'm going to kind of show you some of the fun things that you can do with that. First things first, you're going to go to prezi.com, and it just brings you here to this site. It is free unless you get the upgraded version, but I've been using the free one and it is great in my opinion. So you're going to either click the Get Started, or if you already have a login, just log in. And when you first log in, it will bring you to this screen, which shows you the ones that you have created already. And this one allows you to make your new ones to get started. You can also look at Prezis that other people have made. There is ones just about for any topic you can think of. So, for example, let's just look up dolphins. They're cute and fun. Everyone loves them. Click in dolphins, search, and what do you know? Over 1,000 Prezis come up and are there for you to use. You can click on them. Some of them are a little bit more they give you better ideas, I guess you could say, and give you a little bit more information. Some just are more simple depending on who made them. Sometimes kids make them, sometimes it's the adults. Just depends on what they're being used for. You can also search different topics, say for this class, technology. Technology in schools. It's already right there. Search. And you can see that a bunch pop up for here as well. So if you look and you kind of scroll over them, you kind of want to look for the reusable ones, because those ones are ones that allow you to make changes and kind of make them your own. So you can click on them. And if you look here, it says it's public and it's reusable. You can do different things with it. You can just like it and the person knows. You can tweet about it, you can make comments, kind of those things we're learning to do more so. You can share it. You can also embed it, which will give you the code if you wanted to say, hey, put it on our websites, for example. And then you can also make a copy. And once you make a copy, it will put it onto your little dashboard area where then you can edit. And when you edit it, you can kind of make it your own, change information if you want, kind of change the design if you want to do that. So if you look, this is the one, it kind of tells you the different areas that it goes to. It numbers them because if you look right here, it says edit path. And if you click that, you can change where it goes. So it always starts off at 1. You can go to 2 to 3. You can say, okay, from 27, I want to make it go back to 1 again. So you can go from 27 and make another thing so it goes back to 1. You can change where it's going. You can also do that on the side just to make a different pathway. So that helps, and then you can just click done once you have it the way you like it. You can also then click on the text. You can click on an area you want to add more text to and kind of do the text the same way you would on a PowerPoint. You can click the text, you can do the font, the color, the style, all that fun stuff. And then you can save it and it'll be saved on your dashboard. And then if you go back to yours, it will be right there. So I want to show you one finished Prezi that I have made for one of my classes. I had to do a brief, quick introduction for a couple minutes about something that I've overcome. So I did it on overcoming the fear of swimming from when I was in high school. So if you look, this is just a basic one. So It starts off with your overall screen that kind of shows it all from a zoomed out view, and then you kind of click the arrows and go through it. And it kind of goes to wherever it's told to go. So I kind of did another little overview, and this is all about the challenges I had to face and how I kind of overcame it. And then it just kind of talking, and then I related it to being a teacher in the end, and then it went back to the zoomed out view again. If I wanted to, I could go into editing it, and I could add more to it. If, say, I didn't want to talk about this one anymore, I could do a video I could find from YouTube, which I had classmates do. They added YouTubes and to show their ideas. So it's just right up here. You can add all the pictures that I have on here are ones I found online. You can also do background music, or you can even do a voiceover, which is great for if you wanted to do a presentation for your class so they could go online and view it. Since it's public, you can just do the voiceover for each of the steps that you want them to listen to get that information. So it's very interesting, it's very fun, it's a little bit more interactive than PowerPoint, which makes it great to use. So I hope you all will check out Prezi. Thank you.